47,000 jobs vanished last month. Not layoffs. Automation. Goldman Sachs warns 300 million roles at risk by 2026. That's not tomorrow. That's next year. 5 AI tools are doing it right now. Claude handles 94% of coding tasks flawlessly. Microsoft's Copilot replaced 12,000 customer service reps at Fortune 500 companies. ChatGPT processes 3.2 billion queries weekly. Your job is probably on that list. OpenAI's Canvas replaced entire design teams in weeks. Google's Notebook LM automated research roles nobody saw coming. This isn't speculation. This is happening today. Your salary could become someone's API cost. Accountants are next, then lawyers, then you. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.